यार हमेशा की तरह यू गाइस आर स्टिल ऑन योर फोन्स। वेल इट्स टाइम कि आप अपना फोन साइड में रख दें और टीवी की वॉल्यूम बढ़ा दें। It's time to get connected with me Priya on a brand new episode of Z Connect Season 6. आज हम हैं at the luxurious Yi Spa at the Melia Hotel, Dubai. कहा जाता है कि all journeys have secret destinations of which the traveler is unaware. Well, ये completely apply होता है to the movie लाहौर से आगे, जो एक road trip पर based romantic comedy है that was shot in Pakistan. Z Connect की टीम मिली इस मूवी की स्टार कास्ट से to know more about the journey. Let's take a look.
This is my second film called Lahore Se Aage. It's a collaboration between ARY Films and Showcase Films, which is my company. And it's releasing on the 10th in Dubai and worldwide on the 11th. So we had a premiere last night in Lahore, which was the first, but the Dubai premiere is the first international premiere we're having here. We're looking forward to people coming out and supporting it. It's a comedy movie, it's a road trip. And a song and dance movie because the lead female character is a singer, so you get to watch many good songs done by the music director Shiraz Uppal. So far the response has been amazing because I think वैसे कितना stress है lives में कि people look forward to watching a light movie which is full of laughter and no hardcore messages, no heavy messages and stuff.
The first one was Karachi se Lahore. It's a fun road trip. And we came up with this idea because we needed some fun things in Pakistan, as in fun movies, some fun content, because the scenario is quite sad everywhere in the world. So we needed something fun. So we made this movie, and this is for you all. We're releasing it in 11th of November. So worldwide, must go and watch this movie. It's a 2-hour fun ride. As a writer, I must say that I wanted to make a family movie because I want my family to watch my movies. In Pakistan, when people go to watch cinema, they go with their parents, their kids. So it's good to make a movie for family.
Everywhere, in dramas, in TV, in hosting, in dancing, I want to do everything. Like I'm a good learner, and I want to learn each and everything. मैं वो भूखी हूँ जिससे दिल चाहता है वैक्यूम क्लीनर की तरह हर चीज़ को मैं तक कर लूँ, सब अपने अंदर ले जाऊँ. आई एम दैट सॉर्ट ऑफ पर्सन. या तो मुझे लगता है कि हम जितना करते हैं कम है, और जब कोई कहता है ना कि हमें आ गया है, आपको कभी भी नहीं आता है. यू आर नॉट परफेक्ट. इट्स लर्निंग प्रोसेस. आप एवरी सिंगल डे एंड एवरी सिंगल सेकेंड आप सीखते हो.
I think the message is that we spread a message of peace. That you can travel easily in Pakistan. It's a beautiful country. You'll see it tonight. And you'll feel you would love to go there, and we want the world to know that Pakistan is a beautiful place and it's so safe. It's safer than Switzerland, I guess. So you can come and you can enjoy. And beside this message, anywhere, if someone has a sense of humor, will enjoy a movie.
यूएई का वेदर इतना अच्छा हो गया है कि मुझे लगता है कि मुझे भी एक एक्साइटिंग रोड ट्रिप ले लेना चाहिए. Talking about excitement, we've always got you the best of events, and this time we bring to you Z the Great Mela, an Indian Mela experience right here in your city, Dubai, on the 25th and 26th of November at the Dubai Media City Amphitheatre. इंडिया की गलियों की चाट, authentic food experiences, and a unique marketplace feel. ये सब आपको डेफिनेटली आपके घर की याद दिलाएंगे. Not only that, the 2 days are packed with performances from artists like Amit Trivedi, Neeti Mohan, Avyal, and lots more surprises. डेफिनेटली इस इवेंट पे होने वाली हूँ, so do catch me there when you come. Get your tickets from platinumlist.ae or any UAE exchange outlet before they sell out. मैं जा रही हूँ अपनी टिकट लेने while you guys take a short break. Stay tuned. Welcome back. After a massive success of the first UAE-based drama series Parvaz, ZTV लेकर आया है एक और भी बड़ा शो for its Middle East audiences. The show is called ख्वाबों के दरमियान. आपने दुबई में कहीं ना कहीं तो उनकी शूटिंग देखी ही होगी. हमने सोचा क्यों ना चले इनके शूट पर to show you some behind the scenes और इनके कुछ एक्टर्स से भी मिल लें. Let's take a look.
ख्वाबों के दरमियान basically is a story about dreams and what a Dubai life is all about. I'm sure everyone who stays in Dubai or anybody who's abroad will start relating to Dubai. ख्वाबों के दरमियान basically एक ऐसी कहानी है how we stay back in our countries and what we do in Dubai. It's a totally different thing. Viewers will enjoy for that. Now, in terms of casting for ख्वाबों के दरमियान, so there were a lot of casting. Like we have more than 12 or 14 nationalities as is. So if you see an Indian in this, you will find them actual Indians. If you see a Pakistani, you will find them as an actual Pakistani. If you see an Arab, it's an actual Arab. If you see a Filipino or a person from UK, US or Africa. So casting, especially what we had thought, okay, we should keep it as original as possible and how their body language or how they speak about it.
चाहते हैं राहते हैं ख्वाहिशों के आशियां फासले हैं काफिले हैं मंजिलें भी हैं यहाँ चाहते हैं राहते हैं ख्वाहिशों के आशियां फासले हैं काफिले हैं मंजिलें भी हैं यहाँ बादलों पे चलने वाले पहुंच गए हैं देखो अब कहाँ ख्वाबों के दरमियान ख्वाबों के दरमियान ख्वाबों के दरमियान ख्वाबों के
So Riyanka, Garima, Faiza, y'all are shooting for ख्वाबों के दरमियान in Dubai. Tell me, starting with you, Riyanka, about your character in ख्वाबों के दरमियान.
Well, I'm playing the character of Mehjabeen, that's Aryan Vaid's wife, Kabir. And this character is someone who's like really crazy. She likes dressing up a lot. Like, एक simple situation में भी वो थोड़े colorful clothes पहनेगी, बहुत loud accessories होंगे. And initially throughout the show, everyone would think she's crazy. She's just nagging at her husband all the time. They would feel bad about it and pity Aryan, Kabir as such. And then later on, at the end, towards the story, it's going to be completely different. The view towards me would change. That's how it is. Like, she's someone who's crazy. Yeah.
Totally like you in real life, or
Well, I would say yes, a little bit close to me. I am a little weirdish kinds. It's it's funny, but then yeah.
Garima, you tell me about your character, Kajal Serene.
Yes. Kajal is she's an ex-journalist and she stays in Dubai now and she starts blogging and she's a blogger. She's she's Ajay Sareen's wife and Ajay is supposed to be like very good with his decision-making abilities. I feel Kajal is a character who kind of enhances that ability in her husband. She brings the best out in him and they are projected as a couple whom everybody looks up to. So yeah, she's a very balanced person. She has a mind of her own, and yeah, she drives Ajay Sareen in a lot of situations, which is very critical to the show as well. And yeah, I mean, it's a very nice character.
Again, the same question for you. How different is it from what you are in real life?
I think it's like a dream casting for me because I'm an ex-journalist myself and I love to write, I love to read. So yeah, I think it's quite close to what I am in real life as well. So yeah.
Faiza, over to you. Tell me about your character.
I am playing Mariam's character, who is the girlfriend of Faraz. This character is like the who I am totally because and I'm love to playing this character because it's all because of me. Like मैं अपनी जिस तरह real life में हूँ वैसा ही मुझे character मिला है and I love to perform this character.
That's a very good thing. Thank you all for being on the show. It was great pleasure talking to you guys.
Same here. Thank you so much.
We are with the very handsome Munib Bhatt and the dashing Sachin Khurana from Khwabon Ke Darmiyan. We welcome you guys to Z Connect Season 6. तो आपका कैरेक्टर जो है ख्वाबों के दरमियान में फराज का कैरेक्टर प्ले कर रहे हैं आप. So tell me something about the character.
The character of Faraz is very lively, kind of a 25-year-old filthy rich boy, and he loves to ride Harley Davidson, and he has a McLaren, and he's a sports car का उसको बहुत शौक है, and he's a party. Yeah, I was just coming to that point as well. He's a party animal, and he's a party freak, man. And उसके बहुत सारी girlfriends हैं और वो मतलब he's much into clubs and those things. और ऑफिस में भी बहुत ध्यान देता है लेकिन उसका काम करने का स्टाइल जो है वो सबसे बहुत डिफरेंट है बिकॉज वो अपने क्लाइंट्स को जो है वो नॉर्मली डील नहीं करता. वो उनको जो है वो बोलता है आप क्लब में आए वहाँ पे हम डील करेंगे. तो उसका स्टाइल थोड़ा निराला है और उसका वक्त बदलने वाला है.
Very much like what you're in real life या कुछ different?
Not really. No, I can't say all these things in front of the camera, but yes. 50%. Yeah.
75. We lock it at that.
But girlfriend वाला point नहीं, लेकिन ये कि बस club शब तक का सही है.
क्लब शब तक ठीक है. अच्छा. सचिन, मुझे आप बताइए अपने कैरेक्टर अजय के बारे में.
हाँ, Ajay Sareen. Ajay Sareen was also a part of the real estate circuit before he entered this partnership. मुनीब मेरा partner है, junior partner है उसके अंदर. आर्यन वेद है हमारे साथ, हम तीनों partners हैं इस company के अंदर. अजय सरीन इज़ ए गो गेटर. इनफैक्ट वो बड़ा सोचने वाला इंसान है. वो सोचता है कि उतनी मेहनत लगनी है, छोटा सोच के उतना करके, तो बड़ा सोचो, बड़ा करो, बड़ा अचीव करो. उस तरह की एक इंसान है. इनफैक्ट वो भी गो गेटर है एक तरह से. वो उसमें बहुत एक अच्छी बिजनेस सेंस बहुत अच्छी है उस इंसान के अंदर. उसको बार्गेन करना आता है. उसको सपोज करो अगर वो एक डील 100 मिलियन की हो रही है उसको 150 तक ले जाएगा वो.
जो हमारी कंपनी उसके जो भी फाइनेंशियल इश्यूज होते हैं वो अजय देखते हैं और रोशनी देखती है, रोशनी निगार जो कैरेक्टर प्ले करेंगे. तो ये दोनों जो है वो पैसे वाले लोग हैं और मेरा जो उसमें काम है. सॉरी मैं आपकी ले रहा हूँ क्योंकि मेरी प्लेट मैं सबकी प्लेट से लूँगा आगे सब लूँगा. अच्छा, इसमें मेरा जो पार्ट है वो मैं हूँ मार्केटिंग साइड वाला बंदा. मतलब जितनी भी प्रोडक्ट इन लोगों ने बनानी है रियल एस्टेट को जो बेचना है ना, बेचने वाला काम मेरा.
I was saying was हमारी जो कंपनी जो दिखाई गई है इनफैक्ट हम 3 पार्टनर्स हैं और थर्ड कबीर है जो आर्यन प्ले कर रहा है. इनफैक्ट it's a proper, I think the best mix of people that the company can have. Right. So the whole 3 of us are brilliant at our own jobs and we work together so beautifully. That's the whole story and taking it forward. Amazing.
Connect Season 6, absolute pleasure to have you on our show.
Thank you very much. My pleasure to be here.
So, since you are already in your character, tell us a bit about your character in Khwabon Ke Darmiyan.
Okay, so Saira's character was a bit challenging for me, but I hope कि मैंने उसके साथ इंसाफ किया हो. बहुत सारे shades हैं उसके अंदर. She's a very loving, motherly figure. What else I should say? अगर मैंने सब कुछ बता दिया तो फिर सस्पेंस नहीं रहेगा, तो थोड़ा हम देखने वालों को के लिए छोड़ देते हैं.
चलिए आप वो सस्पेंस रख लीजिए, पर मुझे ये बताइए कि वो कैरेक्टर जो आपने प्ले किया है कंपेयर टू व्हाट यू आर इन रियल लाइफ, वो कितने क्लोज?
ज़मीन आसमान का फ़र्क है. ऑफ कोर्स मैं बिल्कुल भी वो कैरेक्टर नहीं हूँ, because I'm a doctor. I don't practice, but still I'm running a business and stuff. So yeah, बिल्कुल भी नहीं मिलता. मैं नहीं समझ सकती कि वो मिलता है, लेकिन that's why it was challenging for me. Yeah.
Right. चलिए, tell me about your experience of shooting in Dubai versus whatever you've been shooting back in Pakistan.
Okay, so this is my 4th project in Dubai, and especially with Indian team. So this wasn't something new for me. And honestly speaking, हाँ ये ज़रूर था कि मेरी ये वाली टीम जो है बहुत छोटी मोटी चीज़ें तो होती हैं, बट दे वर बहुत अच्छे प्रोड्यूसर. मतलब आई एम नॉट सेइंग बिकॉज कि वो मेरे दोस्त भी हैं या मैं सिर्फ मक्खन लगा रही हूँ, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. I really enjoyed every bit of this series or show, whatever you call it. मेरे जो पाकिस्तान के को स्टार हैं उनको तो मैं जानती थी और उनके साथ मैंने बहुत सारा काम किया हुआ था, लेकिन इनको मैं नहीं जानती थी और इनके साथ मैं फर्स्ट टाइम काम कर रही थी ना, वो मुझे जानते थे. लेकिन एक अजीब सी बॉन्डिंग हो गई हमारी कि जब उनका लास्ट डे था तो हम लिटरली एक दूसरे से ऐसे मिल रहे थे कि जैसे कोई हम बिछड़ रहे हैं टाइप. Very Bollywood style. So yeah, I enjoyed it.
Thank you so much, Dr. Ayesha, for being on our show.
Thank you very much for having me.
Well, that definitely looks like another promising show coming out of the UAE, and we cannot wait for the launch of this 13-episode series on 3rd December. आप देख सकते हैं ये शो every Saturday at 9:30 PM. Well, मैं चलिए इसका रिमाइंडर सेट कर ले, तब तक आप ले लीजिए एक छोटा सा ब्रेक. Stay tuned to Z Connect Season 6. Welcome back. Well, talking about stars, the ABLF Awards 2016 shine bright at the Palazzo Versace, Dubai. And जैसा कि हमने promise किया था, we were there to cover it. Let's go check it out.
I think it's very obvious that the leaders in this century are pretty much hands-on. They see in the future. They work. They have very clear visions, and we're in the UAE. We are pretty much blessed for leaders that they are very much visionaries and.
An important part of the world, and it is one of the major reservoirs of human capital in the world, and it has a lot of talent. Clearly, in terms of countries in Asia, China leads from the front. China is now the biggest power in Asia. They are growing. Their standard of living is improving, and they are also proponents of peace and harmony. So I think that, of course, creates a very good atmosphere. Then, of course, if you start from Japan, Korea, we look at ASEAN, we look at South Asia, India, Pakistan, and then going forward, part of the Middle East is also in Asia. I think, and then there's Central Asia. So everywhere you go, you see development, growth. There are issues, between various countries, and issues need to be resolved through leadership, discussion, and dialogue. You cannot resolve them by military means. You have to do it through diplomacy and dialogue. And that's where leadership comes in. I think the leadership quality in the world is also improving. And if we continue to have dialogue, continue to listen to each other's views, and find a via media which will get us to a platform of peace and harmony, the dividend out of that would be enormous.
Leader has to be very, very educated, and he has to be a little lucky, and at the same time, this leader has to be honest and actually
who are aspirationals. They are the generation of new technology, new innovations. Their hopes and dreams are very different. So their expectations from leaders is very different to what it was 20 years ago. We must recognize that politics in the world has undergone a great change. And in the next decade, it will go through even a more bigger change. Asian leaders have demonstrated to the world their intellectual and entrepreneurial abilities. And where political leaders are concerned, they've shown their talent, they've shown leadership in their own regions. They are looked up upon by leaders in different parts of the world. So I think Asia has brought to the fore leadership of a very broad spectrum.
Well, that was a glitzy event with a cause. Congratulations to all the award winners, and may you continue making a difference. Well, that's all we have time for on this week's episode. हमारे साथ connected रहिए during the week through our Facebook page और our Twitter handle. अगले हफ्ते तक के लिए this is me Priya signing off from Z Connect Season 6.